Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making black pepper chicken in 15 minutes. That's savory and delicious. Everyone will enjoy this one, so let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients we have a nice chicken breast that we're going to slice up nice and thin. Now this is over a pound, yep, it's a big one. And we have a red and a green bell pepper. We're probably only going to use maybe half of that each. And a nice sweet onion. Mostly we're going to use maybe half of that, right? Okay, let's put some of this aside. There's our nice chicken breast. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and slice up our onion. We'll cut the ends off here, about like this. Now it helps to have a really nice sharp knife when you're doing the chicken, right? And we went ahead and sharpened this with our AnySharp knife sharpener. And if you don't have one of those, go ahead and pick one of them up because it's really a handy gadget to have in the kitchen. And you know me, I always forget to sharpen my knives, so it really does come in handy. And it's been at least 3 years, and if it fails, we'll let you guys know. Alright, let's get back to chopping our onion. Alright, we'll take that off. Alright, that's the ends. Now, there might be a trick on how to peel these, but sometimes they're hard to peel. So let's go and slice it that way and see if we can peel the skin off this. Sometimes they're a bit tricky, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. Oh, I missed a piece. There you go. Alright. Okay, let's slice this in half this way. Just like that. And we'll put this aside. Alright, let's go ahead and slice it up. Now we want them kind of big. So we'll go ahead and cut them up like this. Okay. Now if they're really big, you can cut them in half again. But I like them kind of big. They look better that way. Alright, let's bring in a bowl and break them up as you put them in. Okay, there you go. They're all broken up nicely. Alright, there's our onions all broke up nice. Let's go ahead and put them aside. Alright, let's take our huge green bell pepper. Boy, that's a big one. And we're going to core that out real quick, and then we're going to slice it in half. And we'll save half for something else. Okay, there you go. Alright, let's slice this right in half. And we'll go ahead and put this aside. And let me go ahead and get the seeds out of here. Okay, there's the seeds all out of our green bell pepper. Let's put that aside for a minute. And let's bring in our red one, and we'll do the same thing. Look at the stem on that one. Okay, let's go around here. Just like that. Alright, let's pull it out. There you go. Let's go ahead and cut that in half. Okay, there you go. We'll put this aside. And let me clean out the seeds in here. Okay, there's the seeds out of our red bell pepper. Boy, they look nice. Alright, let me clean up my cutting board here. There's a few seeds on there. Alright, let's go ahead and slice up our green bell pepper. Now, you can slice it in pretty big chunks if you want. That's what we're going to do. Just about like that. Alright, now you can turn them sideways and cut them in half again. That's perfect. Okay, let's do the same to our red bell pepper. Nice chunks. Sort of like julienne style, right? But a little thicker. Alright, we'll turn them sideways. Get them kind of lined up. And we'll cut them in half. Perfect. Okay, let's bring back our onions and we'll put them right in there. Okay, there's our red and green bell peppers and onions all sliced up nice. Let's put them aside. Alright, let's bring in our huge chicken breast. Wow, that's a big one. Alright, let's put that right here so we can slice it up. Alright, now if you see any real big fatty pieces, you know, there's a little bit there, just go ahead and cut that off. Just like that. Okay? Maybe this piece over here. And there's a big piece back here, right? Let's just cut off the fatty part right there. Then we'll cut that little bit of fat that's in the middle out of there. And it works out good. A nice bite-sized piece, beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and slice this up nice and thin. Like I said before, it helps to have a nice sharp knife. So let's go ahead and cut that piece off. That's a beautiful bite-sized piece. Put it over here with our bite-sized pieces. And we'll go ahead and slice it up. Now, you can make them as thin as you want, especially if you have a nice sharp knife, right? All right, there you go. They look nice. Okay, they're bite-sized. So we'll put them over here. Okay, these next ones might not be bite-sized. You might have to cut them again. Okay, there you go. These look beautiful. Okay. Now these are a little too big over here. I mean, you know, even from my jaws, right? Big, you know. So let's cut them in half. Or thirds. Depends on how you want them. Even in half, I think these are going to be a little big. So let's cut them in like thirds. Just like this. All right. Okay, let's bring in a bowl. And we'll put them right in there. Okay, there's our chicken all sliced up nice. Now we're going to make a delicious marinade for this. Alright, for the chicken marinade, we have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put that in. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in. 2 tablespoons of water. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And 1 tablespoon of oil. Alright, now just get in there and mix it up with your hands. So you don't see any of the cornstarch or the baking soda. Now what the baking soda is going to do is going to help tenderize this chicken. And what the cornstarch is going to do, it's going to lock in that moisture that we added. So it's nice and tender and juicy when we're stir frying it, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. Perfect. Alright, there's our chicken and our nice marinade that we just made. Put in there. This is really going to make it taste good. Now let's let this rest for about 10-15 minutes and let that marinade do its work, right? So let's do that. Alright, now we're going to make a nice black pepper soy sauce mixture. Now we have a 1/4 cup of chicken broth here. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Put that in. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Alright, let's mix that up. This is going to add a lot of flavor. And that black pepper is going to taste really good in there. Okay. Alright, there's our black pepper soy sauce mixture. Now all we have to do is start stir frying. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our large Lodge cast iron skillet. We're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. Okay, now we're going to take our green and red bell peppers and onions, put them right in there. Now we're going to stir fry these until the onions just start to turn a little translucent. But we like them still a little crunchy, right? That's what makes it taste good when you bite into them. Now this won't take too long, maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, they're looking good. So there you go. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. Alright, let's get them out of there. Put them in a bowl. Alright, there you go. There's our green and red bell peppers and onions. All nicely stir fried. So let's put them aside. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. And you can put a little more oil in the pan if you want. All right, now let's take our nice marinated chicken and we'll put all that right in there. Okay, let's stir fry this around. All right, when you get your chicken looking like that, go ahead and take a teaspoon of minced garlic, put it in there. Give that a quick stir. Boy, does that smell good. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of rice wine. Put that in. About a tablespoon. Now when that wine evaporates off, you're almost done. Now we're going to take a teaspoon of coarse black pepper and we're going to put that in there. It's about a teaspoon, right? There you go. Stir that in. This makes it taste really good with that black pepper. That's why we're calling it black pepper chicken stir fry here today. Tastes really good too. Okay, that looks to be done. Lower our burner temperature down to medium. And we'll take all our nice green and red bell peppers and onions that we just stir fried and put them back in there. And we're going to take our soy sauce mixture, right? We're going to make sure we stir that up because it's got that cornstarch in there. Okay. And we're going to pour that right in there. And we're going to stir that around. And that should thicken up really quickly. Boy, does that smell good. Okay, it's starting to thicken already. Beautiful. All right. Wow, this is really tasty smelling. You're going to enjoy this. And so is your guest. That looks really, really good. Okay. All right, there's our black pepper chicken. And it's done. So let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And we made that in 15 minutes. And that is a delicious savory soy sauce mixture we have in there. And the extra black pepper. Everybody's going to enjoy this. So let's go ahead and have a taste. Alright, here's our delicious savory black pepper chicken that we made in 15 minutes. Boy, doesn't that look good? It really does, and I can't wait to get into a taste of that. But first, we're going to add a little sesame seed on there. Makes it look nice. There you go. Alright, let's put this aside and we'll plate up a little plate, right? Wow. Look at that chicken. That's beautiful. Yep. Wow. That's a nice plate there. Wow, look at that, guys. Let's put a few more sesame seeds on top. Make it look pretty. Alright. That's one serving, guys. And there's two in that pan, right? This is a huge serving. It probably will feed 4 people, right? Or 2 really, really hungry people. There you go. Like me. I'm hungry today, so we're probably going to eat this whole thing and serve up another plate to somebody else. Alright, let's get into a bite. I can't wait to get into a bite. So let's have some chicken. And maybe a pepper. And an onion. Look at that other piece of chicken there. Wow. Okay, here we go, guys. I bet you that chicken's nice and tender. And that onion, perfect. Alright, let me have a bite and I'll let you guys know how it is. Mmm. Is that delicious. The black pepper that's in there is perfect. It's not overpowering. It tastes wonderful. You're going to love this. Just go ahead and make it this way, right? And your family and friends will love it. Alright, you know what to go good with this? Since we're having this for a a delicious dinner. You may have guessed this one. We're going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this one. Yep, boy does that sound good. Yep, I just got to have another little bite, guys. Look at this. Doesn't that look good? Look at all that chicken. Beautiful. This is a big bite. Alright, let me have a taste. Another taste. That's delicious. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Is this good?